Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Mono Wonders Africa. So, for today's video, I'm here in my sister house, Sister Joanne, with Hakim. So, nandito po kami ngayon sa bahay ni Joanne. Magluluto kami ng carbonara. We're going to cook carbonara, guys. So, come and cook with us. Mama! Say daddy. Say daddy. Papa. Say papa. And say po. Po. So we have some onions and garlic here. Hala, isara ko lang muna tong pintuan.
Ano?
Saan na ko yung pintuan kasi nag-ano siya dito sa apoy.
Yes.
Tapos, saan inoon yung ilaw mo? Oh.
Nabuan na yan.
Hindi pa ano?
Dito ang kailangan alisin.
Okay.
Na-connect na yung ano, yung binili kong light. Ang ganda yung tinatanggal na yung shirt.
Ayaw niya yan.
Ayaw niya.
Oo, masaya siya na wala siyang damit.
Okay lang, pilitin ko.
Oo.
Pilitin ko ilagay?
Pilitin mo lang.
Yes, pilitin ko dito. Pilitin ko dito.
Hakim doesn't like wearing clothes.
Pilitin ko dito. I'm sorry. Bah! Yan. Ito na lang.
No, it's okay.
Yes!
Let me see you, my love. Oh. You're wearing Kuya's clothes? Hakim is wearing Kuya's clothes. Ang talas ng kutsilyo. The knife is very sharp. Ang dami mo namang binalatan na sibuyas. Gusto mo marami sibuyas?
Al dente. Yes?
Habari!
He's taking away.
The what?
He's taking away.
Yes. That's for the white finish.
You can do it having a look.
Magpalit ka na lang kaya.
Hakim.
How are you?
You're fine now.
I'm doing good.
Remember Hakim? Hakim?
Magpalit ka na lang kaya ng wifi.
Ha?
Magpalit ka na lang kaya.
Ang alaman na namin wifi yun?
Yung sa amin, walang problema yun.
Hindi yata nakakaabot nito yun.
Ay, ganun ba? So, it's done now, guys. Our pasta is boiling now. Only few minutes to be cooked. The white sauce now, so, because we don't have the, how do you call this? Yung ready na ba? Yung ready na ba na carbonara sauce? So, we're using margarine instead of butter. That is enough. Yes, my love. Yes, my love. Hinaan mo yung apoy. Hinaan mo yung apoy. Yes.
Nice to see.
You want to see? Teka lang. You want to be a chef? So we just wait for the margarine to melt. See, it smells so good. Cooking with the baby. Yes. Yes. We'll add the sunflower, but not so much. I think this one is enough. We will add more. Just continue mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Mekos-mekos lang, guys. Ayan, tapos na saan yung gatas. Nag-melt naman yun. Yeah. Now you can put the milk. So we wait for it to boil, for the margarine and the flour to melt. Yes. Now we will wait for. Okay. Now guys, we're cooking the tuna, shredded tuna. So we need some oil. Okay.
Madali lang yun.
Nagmamadali yan.
Galing magluto yan.
Yes. Now, sis Joanne is cooking. She put first the garlic. Sa akin kasi sibuyas muna eh.
Oh.
Okay, now the onions. A lot of onions.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
So we Filipinos, we love cooking. Now it's already, what's the time now? It's 3:23.
This is our dinner and
Lunch and dinner. Yan. We'll put our tuna. Yes.
Wala yung kick like Yes, mama. Your mama.
Smells good.
Smells so good.
And then after this, we will mix it with the white sauce. See guys, this is our white sauce. Look at that guys, very thick. Mixing the pasta now to our white sauce. Oh, yung sarap niyan. Very delicious. Very sweet. Like me.
You're sweet.
Yes. Mix again. I think add ka ng konting
Oregano?
black pepper. Oo. You see guys? Wow. The only thing that is not there is cheese.
Oh, wow. Nakalimutan natin mag-beef. Cheese. Now what, Hakim?
You see, mommy cannot open. No. No, you see, mommy.
And you need to cook.
Broom, broom. Broom, broom. Broom, broom.
You don't have a.
Put it back, Baba. Like this, like this.
Now he's happy.
Hey! Hey!
Driving.
No, he's shy.
Sipon, sipon, punasan. Happy now?
Yes.
You see? You happy now?
One time I do like this to him when he's crying like that,
Mm.
and then he's so scared. He's scared.
He's scared.
Yeah, I didn't do that again. I feel bad.
Now you're happy, you're jumping. While ago you're crying. Put that back. Push, push,
So luckily this thing was here.
push, push.
It was not here, you would have cried and cried.
Push. Kim, do this. Vroom. Now what?
Look. So you know how to drive. You can drive.
Professional.
This boy.
What he's thinking now?
Okay?
He really loves car.
Mhm.
Hey, boys,
Mhm.
boys, kids.
Mhm.
When we put this outside,
Mm.
it was good
Yeah.
condition.
Mm.
Running.
But after 2 days.
30 days dismantled.
Eh,
Children around here.
Mm.
Dismantled. Yay!
And when they come, they all want this.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
You just do that. Life is easy. You do that.
Hakim? 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 You're enjoying? Wow, wow, you know how to drive. Wow. Kim is playing with Junia. Yes, wow.
The little brother.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Say thank you, Hakim. Hakim, say thank you.
Asante.
Eh?
Bye. Okay, drive. Brother, drive. Broom, broom. Broom, broom.
No. Broom, broom.
Broom. No wheels. No.
Pole, pole. Slowly, slowly.
Hakim thinks he's the one who drives.
Mm.
He also scared.
Hakim is scared. Yes? Yes?